Hi guys, in front of me is TECNO Camon 20 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone the other, then go to contacts and choose the one that you want to add this profile picture to. Click on edit icon and mark camera. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. I would like to pick one from my gallery. Pick, is it about AI gallery or photos? I will go with photos. Wakey. Okay, so here it is. And now just pick the picture that you want to apply. Customize it however you like. And tap on confirmation mark. Now tap on save to apply the change. And that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to your contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.